Hi guys, so with Valentine's Day right around the corner, I wanted to show you how to make this beautiful bouquet of chocolate covered strawberries at home. They are super simple to make, so here's what we're going to need. 500 grams of strawberries, 180 grams of milk chocolate, 130 grams of white chocolate, 1 teaspoon of matcha powder and some edible gold spray. Now you don't need this, but it does make them look super pretty. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is wash our strawberries, which I've already done here, under some cold water. And then we're going to very gently dry them with a cloth or some kitchen towel. And just be careful not to bruise them or lose any like I just did. Next, we're going to take our strawberries and skewer them, being careful not to go all the way through the strawberry. And there's my sister's cat Mochi, who appears to be very interested in our strawberries. Next, you're going to take 180 grams of milk chocolate, chop it all up and melt it over a double boiler. You can do this in the microwave, but I always burn my chocolate. So it's probably easier just to do it over some steamy water. So now you've melted your milk chocolate, you want to take about half of the strawberries and cover them in milk chocolate, putting them to set aside on some greaseproof paper. So you're going to take 100 grams of white chocolate and repeat the same process that you did earlier, melt it on the double boiler. And then add your matcha powder. So you can probably see I didn't put a full teaspoon in here. And then I quickly realised that I wanted it to be more matcha-y, so added an extra half a teaspoon. Then make sure you mix it well, get rid of any lumps. And you're going to do the exact same thing that you did with the other strawberries, just cover them in this white chocolate matcha mixture. Matcha mixture. Make sure that you don't use all of your strawberries whilst doing this, because you want some fresh ones so that you can turn them into beautiful strawberry roses later. Okay, so I've taken about 30 grams of leftover white chocolate and melted that. And then I want to coat just over half of our chocolate covered strawberries with a little drizzle of this, because it tastes great and looks pretty. We're going to make those beautiful strawberry roses that I mentioned earlier. So just slice very small slices around the strawberry and use the tip of the knife just to pull back the petals. And then we're going to repeat the process around until we start to get what looks like a rose. Now we're going to take the strawberries we didn't cover in milk chocolate and spray them gold. I am using a Dr. Oetker edible gold shimmer spray to do this. And now we're going to leave those out to set and harden and play with the cat in the meantime. It takes about an hour or so. Okay, our next step is to arrange our chocolate flowers into the bouquet. If you snap the sticks at different lengths, then you'll be able to see all the different chocolate covered strawberries that you've made. And here is our finished strawberry bouquet. I hope you all have a really great Valentine's Day. And if you did like this video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment telling me what you'd like to see next time. Bye for now.